Hello again, everybody. I'm coming to you with a Trendmood box that I got. I've never gotten one of their boxes before. I decided to give it a try. So keep on watching so that you can see what I got in my box. Let me know in the comments if you like getting Trendmood boxes, what you think of them, all of that good stuff. So keep watching. Okay, let's get down to it. I will say it is a very heavy box. They are all full-size products in here. I was kind of surprised. Like I said, I don't really know a lot about Trendmood boxes. I know I see them on Instagram. I'm sure you do too. So I was just kind of curious and I decided to give one a try. So in this one, we have a few different products, and I'm trying to see, there's a little card in here too. I don't know if that says anything in there. Oh, not really. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is a 5-in-1 Benefits frizz-free keratin smoothing oil shampoo. And then there's also the matching conditioner. So those might be fun to try, especially, well, actually now my hair seems a little bit dry, so maybe I could give that a shot. Otherwise, I do get a little frizzy in the summer with the humidity, so that might be kind of cool to try that and see how that works for me. And then it also has a Miracle Gloss Smoothing Spray. Oh, and I forgot to open those to see what they smell like. Not a heavy fragrance, just kind of fresh smelling. Kind of. So those are cool to try. And then I've got, this is by Renew, it looks like. Chibula Active Immunity Serum. True Botanicals. And you know what? I think I probably need to get my glasses for this. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got the glasses. So let me read this. It says, strong skin leads to more youthful skin. If our skin has the proper defense mechanisms, we can prolong early signs of aging and even fight off aging midstream to prevent future damage. Our new easy for me to say, Chibula Active Immunity Serum is your first line of defense in preventing, protecting, correcting the skin from aging, revealing a brighter, smoother, youthful glow. Chibula, a unique fruit extract that works on 5 levels of aging, address lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, firmness, hydration, and prevention. Echinacea, ginger, and elderberry, strong immunity building ingredients that work hard to strengthen, protect, and defend skin. And green tea provides antioxidant protection. Apply a 1/2 to 1 dropper to the face and neck morning and night just after cleansing. Well, I'm always up for looking at new skincare products to see what might work well for me. So that would be fun to try, I think. And then, oh, this box got a little bit mangled during shipping. So this is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Oh, by One Size. I haven't tried any of their products yet. Yeah, Makeup Magnet Primer. Let's open it up here, since the box is like destroyed anyway. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm kind of anxious to see what it feels like. Ooh, a little hard to get out of there. So there's a little, It goes on nice and smooth. You can kind of see it hydrated that small area of my dry hand. I've got such dry hands. I'm sure all of you do too. This is kind of the weather for it. I'm in the Midwest, so you know that cold weather does that. Yeah, so I'll have to give that a try. It seems almost too slick for me. Although it is drying down a bit, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm going to have to give that a try. Another thing from One Size, Ultimate Setting Powder. And this is in the color, I need my glasses again. I should just keep them on. This is translucent. Let me open it up. It's a cute little one. So there it is. It's probably taped over. You can't hardly see it, but okay, well that's cool. Like I said, I haven't tried any of the One Size products, so that'll be fun to try. Oh, and I've got another one. This is a setting powder, but this is in Dark Deep, so I think I'll be passing that on since Dark Deep probably wouldn't look good on me. So, and then the card I was talking about, it's about the One Size Beauty products. So that's kind of neat. And then let's see what else we have here. We have Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment for Eyes and Face. And it's called Young Love. And it's Danessa Myricks Beauty is the brand. And it's sealed with plastic. I hope I can open it. Well, I guess I did. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment for Face and Eyes. Whoa. That is definitely multi-chrome. Holy cow, that's bright. I don't know, that might have to go to one of my nieces or something. That's a little much for me. Yeah, it's a little much. It's kind of pretty though. And then what else do we got here? Oh, this is another one from them. A multi-chrome for face and eyes. This one might be okay. I don't know. Let's see. Gotta open it. Oh, it looks like the same color. This one. Oh, I broke the top of it. Oh, this one's supposed to be more pinky purple. And I guess this one has more blue in it. This one's more gold looking to me. Or maybe blue. Yeah, when it hits, I don't know. Okay, so that's what they look like. They're very bright. Again, not for me, so we'll pass those on. And what do we have here? This is Vegan Beauty Dazzle Stick Long Wear Eyeshadow in Hail Surge. Let's see what this looks like. Hail Surge. There's the packaging. Oh, it's like a long stick. We'll put it next to the other one. That's pretty bright though too, pretty shiny. It almost has a wet feel to it, but then it dries down real quick. Yeah, that might be for some younger folks in my family. I like sparkle. I like some shimmer. I do have highlight on. So it's not that I don't like that. It's just that I don't like over the top. It's just not me. It's just, I'm a girly girl, but this is just a little, I don't know, maybe if you just put it in like just the center of your eye, that might work. Just like a tiny bit, just to give a little like, ooh, that might work fine. So that's it. That's my trend mood box. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. If you've tried any of these products and have any advice for me, I would love to hear it in the comments. Um, and if you like Trend Mood, you get their boxes all the time. I would love to hear what you think of them all. Or if you don't like them, what you don't like. Anyways, I'd love to hear your comments and any suggestions for future videos. That would be wonderful too. I hope you're having a great day. And until next time, ciao, my Bellas.